Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to create an Instagram video promotion. Alright, something like this. Alright, so we got the bars at the bottom and the top, and we got a video playing in the middle. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up Final Cut Pro. Go to File, New, Library. We're going to create a new library, name this whatever you like. I'm going to name mine Instagram. And now go to File, New, create a new project. I'm gonna name this whatever you like. Name my IG video. Now right here where it says video, we want to change that to custom. Make that 1080 by 1080, which will make a square. Change the rate to 24p. Depending on what kind of media you import, you might want to change this to something else, but 24p is a good default. Leave everything else default and click OK. Now we import our media. Go to File, Import Media, or you can drag and drop it. I already have it in my desktop, so I'm gonna drag and drop it. There we go. Now Instagram only allows up to a minute of video to be uploaded to their website on a single post. So I'm gonna click B to select the blade tool, and I'm gonna cut this down right under 1 minute. There we go. And now I'm gonna click A to get the selector tool and select this and delete the rest of that. All right. If you don't feel comfortable using shortcuts, you can always go up here and you can see the blade tool and the select tool. All right. This image right here, we want to put it up here on top of the video, and we want to make it as long as the clip is. There we go. So we want this image to be our top image right here. So we want to cover that black spot right there and make use of that space. So make sure the video inspector option is selected, and down in transform, we want to change this y-axis, and we want to bring this up. So we move the image up into its position how we want it. And then to crop, to not cut out the video from the middle, let's drag this over here so we can see where the video is at. You see it's cutting it off. So what we want to do is crop the image from the bottom. So right here where it says crop bottom, we'll move this up right before the black bar starts. Perfect. All right. So now we want to drag another image, our bottom image. I'm gonna use the same one, and we're gonna put this on top of this one. All right, and we'll do the same thing and make this as long as the clip. Perfect. And now we want to position this right here at the bottom. So we're gonna do the opposite of what we did with the top one, and we're gonna make the y-axis over here, we're gonna make that negative. All right, and I want it right about there. Now we want to crop it from the top. So we're going to go down to crop, and we're going to crop it from the top right before the black starts, right there. Perfect. All right. So now all we have to do is insert our text. So we go up here to text, select that. And I'm going to search basic title. So select basic title right here. Drag this down to the bottom and make sure it's as long as the clip right here. Perfect. Now select that and see it's still loading. Give it a second here. Now I'm gonna click and hold so I can drag it up here. All right. And you can change this to whatever you like. IG video, and we can change the font right here, and we can change the size. There we go. And reposition it so it's in the middle somewhere. There we go. And we can even add outlines, glow, drop shadow, and some other stuff. But now let's make another one. So we're going to select basic title again, and we're going to drag and drop it over here again. And we're going to make it as long as the video is right here. So we drag it. There we go. Now select it again. Click and drag. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the top one and change our font. Change the size. And center it, position it. There we go. And you're all set. Now, if we go back over here to the libraries, all right, we get that. If we go to file and we go to share, you can see that share is not enabled. The reason for this is right here in the libraries, you got to go all the way up and make sure your project is selected. So IG video right here, make sure that's selected. Go to file and you can see you can now share it. And depending on where you're going to upload it, you can share it in different formats. YouTube, Vimeo. I like to share the default master file. Click on that. And click next. Select where you want to save it. Save. And you can see here that it is now saving it. And that's it.